So you've been running your childcare program for a while now, and you're trying to advertise and you're trying to get your spots fully booked ASAP. But the problem is, everything that you're trying just isn't working. Posting isn't working, printing out flyers isn't working, posting in huge Facebook groups is definitely not working, and you are struggling and you just don't know what to do, and you're just stuck. Googling for hours, YouTubing for hours, trying to figure out what the heck you're doing wrong. My name is Christina Rizakos and I run the Childcare Business Marketing Agency. I myself am an educator by trade, and I actually ran my own center for over 16 years, sold it a few years back to focus on my marketing agency. I am a certified digital marketing strategist, and I know for a fact that if you are in this business of early learning education, it is because it is a calling on your life to work with young kids. And I also know that as passionate as you are about your business, marketing just doesn't come easy. Maybe it's brand new to you. Maybe you've never had to really focus on marketing, especially using the internet, and you just don't know what to do and you're struggling. Why not simplify the process? Why not reach out to get some help? And no, it's not expensive. We have packages that start at $17 a month that actually give you a step-by-step plan of what to post every single day on your platforms that is going to help with organic reach. It's going to help with that social media trust that you desperately need in today's economy. The other thing we offer is support and marketing training, because let's face it, just posting randomly on social media is just not good enough anymore. So not only do we provide, we actually write and create your social media content strategy, but we also have a group where you ask questions, meet other providers, you get one-on-one with marketing experts, and you also get marketing training, including Facebook ads, that's really gonna help you grow your business and just stay fully booked. So what do you say? $17 a month, click under this video, choose your package, and I'll see you inside.